Troop S6, Jessamine Lagatik. Major Leader, Blaze Ayekon Maka. DLC Leader, Kian Jervis Ilano. CDP Alpha Company Commander, Melvin Rendora. CDP Alpha Company Exo, Jack Gideon Peñalosa. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Lawrence Bobis. Second Platoon Leader, Boys, James Matthew Losa. CDP Bravo Company Commander, Zoya Rivera. CDP Bravo Company Exo, Eliza Gale Sabana. First Platoon Leader, Girls, Gurley Malimo. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Jerilyn Suarez. Mapay Company Commander, Raymar Guerrera. Mapay Company Exo, Low Wayne Corano. First Platoon Leader, Vince Barcelona Casa. Second Platoon Leader, Cooper Commander, Neville Benao, Ciclo Lecor. CSGS, Dr. Jeffrey Salon. Entry number 7, Ocampo, National High School, San Francisco Ocampo, Camarines Sur. With Mape 4. Thank you very much. Entry number 7, Ocampo National High School, San Francisco Ocampo, Camarines Sur.
Entry number 8, no show. Proceed to entry number 9.